Hi loves, this is Clara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what I got from Louis Vuitton. So if you guys have already seen the subject of this video, so you know what's inside the box. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So just to give you guys a brief overview, I've been wanting to get this planner for a very long time. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos because I want to assure myself that that I really want this planner. So if you guys have already watched my other video, I recently purchased a Louis Vuitton Monogram planner in medium size. So that one is like for home, and I need something to bring with me at work or every day, or sometimes I think that I can even use this as a wallet. I've seen some videos doing that. So let's see what's inside. So I already removed the ribbon. So this one, I purchased this online. So there you go. It's so hard to get it out. There you go. So when you open it, it comes with a dust bag, the Louis Vuitton dust bag. And then let me show you what I got. So there you go. So I got the Louis Vuitton pocket agenda cover in monogram print. So there you go. It's the back. It's so nice. It is so pretty. So when you open it, it has 3 card slots, like 1, 2, 3, and it has like 2 pockets, like one and another one here. Like I was even thinking of using this one as a wallet. I've seen some videos doing that, so I might do that, or I would get the insert from Louis Vuitton, like the weekly ones. So guys, if you're wondering how much this planner is, this is for $295. So I purchased it maybe like a week, no, not a week ago, probably 2-3 weeks ago. So I purchased it for $295 plus tax, because here in California you pay for tax, for sales tax. So there you go. So I just want to briefly show it to you in comparison with my medium agenda, so you would know size reference. So here's my medium agenda, and this is the pocket, just to give you like a size comparison between the two. So this is something that you can carry in your purse every day. Here. Oh, this is so nice. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use it. It's just that I need to go to the mall and purchase the insert for it. But again, here's the planner side by side for size comparison. So if you're planning to get it, you would know what the size is. And this is the medium size. And then I'm gonna show you guys the pocket size. So here's for size reference. There you go. So you put it on top of it. Of course, this is wider and this is taller. And then looks like this, the top, the bottom, and on the sides. So if you don't put something on it, it would look like this. It feels so empty. But again, it's a very nice purchase. It's something that you can start with. Like if you're gonna buy something from Louis Vuitton, you could get this one. And this is for $295. So guys, if you have any questions about this planner, like I really love this one. So I only have good things to say about it. Like I don't know through time if this would wrinkle or something, but I'll post another video for that like many years from now. But yes, I really love this planner. I've been wanting to get it, and then this is something that I would recommend to you guys. So if you guys are interested, I would put the link in the description box below. Hopefully it's still available online. If not, you can just go to any store. If you see that it's available in store but not in your current store, you could just go to your store and then have them order it for you. They could do that. So guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon.